remain safe and keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Please leave all carry-on items stowed and keep the dials clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Before leaving, please be sure you have all your belongings. Be careful with opening the overhead bins, because baggage may have moved and could fall out. American Airlines and our One World Alliance partners thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight.
And on behalf of your entire flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to Los Angeles. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, we do hope that you enjoyed the flight. We look forward to seeing you again on another American Airlines.